DNS enumeration. Below commands are under perform DNS enumeration using DNS zone transfer. There is another one called perform DNS enumeration using DNS sec zone walking. So the commands for DNS enumeration using DNS zone transfer are host command, ns lookup, and dig command. Host command examples: host google.com displays all DNS records available. Host -t ns google.com displays only ns record. Host -t cname displays cname record. Host -t mx displays mail exchange records. Host -t txt record. Host -c SOA for SOA record. Host -c we have to make sure. I'm not sure about this, better to check it once. Okay, next is the dig command. Dig ns target domain. It is same as host -t ns. Dig axfr target domain at name server. The name server can be obtained by using the dig ns command or host -t ns command. After giving dig axfr command, there will be a command prompt open. On the command prompt, you can give ls -d to attempt the which is an attempt to transfer the zone of the specified name server. But in our lab, DNS server refused to transfer the zone. So another tool is DNS recon. DNS recon -t axfr -d target domain. This serves the same purpose. DNS cache snooping. To get DNS cache record using which the attacker can find sites recently visited by the user. This attack can be performed using dig command, DNS snoop dog, and DNS recon. Two types of DNS cache snooping: recursive and non-recursive. For non-recursive, example is dig at IP of DNS server target domain a space plus non-recursive. In the example given, the response status was no error, which implied query was successful, and no answer was returned, means no user visited the queried site. We queried for certifiedhacker.com. Okay, then the third command is ns lookup. Ns lookup, when you type ns lookup, command prompt opens. You can set the query type to SOA and then enter the next prompt. Give the domain name. The lab we gave certifiedhacker.com. Once we gave this domain name, the SOA record was given by the command. Okay, command to perform DNS enumeration using DNS sec zone walking. DNS recon -d target name and -zone. -d is for target name or domain name. Other tools used to perform DNS enumeration are LDNS, nsec3 walker, and DNS walk. Other tools and enumerations perform SMB enumeration using NetScan Tools Pro. It's a Windows-based GUI tool used to find IPv6 addresses, host names, domain names, email address, and URL related to target systems. Global network inventory. This was also discussed during NetBIOS enumeration. Advanced IP scanner. Enum for Linux, for Windows and Samba systems. Used for share enumeration, password policy retrieval, identification of remote OSs, detecting hosts are in a workgroup or domain, detecting if hosts are in a workgroup or a domain, user listing on hosts, listing group membership information.